If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, my keto friends. I am taking a walk and I'm lifting weights. I walk with a 10-pound weight and I do bicep curls, I do shoulder lifts, I do tricep overhead presses, and I just sat down to take a break and talk to you a little bit about the biggest keto mistake. Now, I'd like you to comment below what you think the biggest keto mistake is. Someone very close to me, I won't say who it is because I don't want to call them out, contacted me for help because they have some heart blockages. And they said, yeah, Maria, I know I need to give up sugar. I said, you know what's more important than giving up sugar right now at this moment? It's the holidays, and a lot of people are having a hard time giving up sugar. But if you can look at everything you're eating and make sure that it does not have vegetable oils like soybean oil, corn oil, cottonseed oil, canola oil, if you can look at those labels, please make sure you're not eating those. And that's what I told him. My grandpa had his first heart attack at 32 years old. 32. And you know what he was told? Don't ever eat butter. Don't ever eat eggs. He lived off of, I can't believe it's not butter, which tastes terrible. And that's what took his life, eating those fake fats. He also was very stressed out, had a very stressful job. But those vegetable oils are what's killing us. And what's really saddening me is seeing these very popular people on Instagram post foods that are filled with these vegetable oils. Because you know what? I didn't know how bad they were. I didn't. It might have been, 2 years ago I was traveling for work, and I would have a burger and I'd put some, packet of mayo on it because I love sauces. You all know I like sauces. But I won't do that anymore. And I won't let my kids do that anymore. Why? Because I know it's more harmful than sugar is. So if you're trying the keto diet and you're not seeing the weight loss success that you want to, my husband always asks, what are your macros? And I usually ask, are you eating dairy and nuts? But a bigger contributor is maybe you're eating these vegetable oils. These things that are found in like Kraft mayo, Hellmann's mayo, even like salad dressings that you find in the refrigerated section. The first ingredient, soybean oil. Throw those out, man. I used to eat those. The ranch dressing, those blue cheese dressings at restaurants. Most restaurants are cooking in vegetable oils. I know a lot of people get like the animal style hamburger at In-N-Out Burger. They're frying those in vegetable oils, people. I mean, unless you're getting a grilled burger, they're cooking them in vegetable oils. And a lot of times you can find coconut oil, and they lace it with canola oil now. So you really have to be aware of reading those labels. These fats are changing the structure of your cells so you can no longer handle carbohydrates and sugar like you once were able to. I mean, they started subsidizing these vegetable oils in 1970, and since then obesity's gone through the roof, heart disease has gone through the roof. If you want to make one change and you can't give up sugar just yet, if you can't give up sugar just yet, give up the vegetable oils. Give them up. You have to. That's probably the biggest thing that's causing people to, it's harming our health. It's harming your kids' health. It's found in, I ran the Twin Cities Marathon. It wasn't this year, they didn't have it. I ran the Twin Cities Marathon, and afterwards I saw this cute group of friends snacking on saltine crackers. Saltine crackers are nothing but refined flour and vegetable oils. And I remember it hit me because, not because I wanted to judge them, but because I used to eat that stuff when I was sick. When I'd have a cold or have a flu or something when I was little, I would eat saltine crackers and Campbell's soup. Nothing healthy for my body. So I hope that you're aware of I'll have a link below on some studies talking about how harmful these vegetable oils are. And I'd love for you to comment below on what you'd like me to talk about next on my next weightlifting adventure walk. And I hope you're all having a wonderful holiday season, and mahalo, everyone.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your